I don't know what's out there. They say my head's filled with hair, but there's worry stuck in it too. I don't know what's round the bend, a rusty hook, a pointy end, but the opposite could also be true. Oh, what's the best that could happen? What's the best that could happen? What's the best that could happen? What's the best? We can still get dark, life's no walk in the park, but I can beat those walking blues. So instead of a song with something bound to go wrong, I'll just rehearse my attitude. Oh, what's the best that